Hey, good morning, first grade parents. I just got off of a Zoom with your kids, and I want to teach y'all a strategy that's going to help them with figuring out the missing addend in an equation. So right now they're working on lesson, I think it's 3.02 math. It's in the third module, and it is saying things like 3 plus blank equals 7 and trying to figure out how much it equals. And of course, we know as adults, you could say 7 minus 3 equals 4, and that'll be the answer, but that's a little bit ahead of them right now. What their best strategy right now that you can help them get as a habit, just ask while you're cooking, while you're going down the road, 3 plus blank equals 7. How much would it be? And if they can get in the habit of saying, we would say put 3 in your head. That means you're already there. You're not going to start counting with 3, because sometimes when they have a 3 plus blank equals 7, they'll be like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and they'll get the wrong number because they've counted the 3 that you already have. So you would say, put it in your head. Start with 3 and you're counting up to 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the answer is how many fingers you have up. So you can say things like, what is, well, that's really too high for that. I was going to give you a big number, but it also works for big numbers. But let's stay with the small numbers. What is 8 plus blank equals 11? All they have to do is say 8, 9, 10, 11, 3. Instead of, okay, so now I have, what do I have? I had an 8, okay, and I'm going up to 11 and repeating all that, and then say an 8, okay, so what do I do? If you can help them get in the habit of when you see a missing add-in, just put that number in your head and count up to the big number, the number that you have, and count up to the big number. So let's try it with 4 plus blank equals 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 is my answer. So they can find a quick strategy to get the missing add-in. In kindergarten, they did it a little bit, and you can, draw things and say, okay, I have 3 and I want 7. Let me see how many more I have to draw. And you would draw 4 and it would be 7. But they are getting to where their little brain can not even have that writing and can say 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or let's see, 6 plus what equals 9? 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 plus what equals 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7. And that is something that is hard for me to teach them not in person, but if you're in person and you can make it a habit and practice a bunch of them, they will get so proficient that they like doing it because they're doing math so fast and they're like, whoa, I can really do this. And that would be something great to help them practice really for the rest of their life in math. Okay, thanks.